Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see C++ break statement, how C++ break statement work in C++. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So break is a jump statement that is used to omit a part of the code. So suppose you want to exit or you want to terminate the smallest closure, then you can use C++ break statement. It is used to jump out of the loop like for loop, while loop and do while loop. So we will understand C++ break statement with the help of one basic example. So suppose here I have taken one example where I have created a loop, a for loop where the initialization is I equals to 1. The condition is I should be less than equals to 10. When I will become 11, it will automatically come out of the loop. The increment will be I++ and we are printing hello world. Now the use of break statement over here is when I becomes true, it will automatically come out of the loop. This is the condition we have set. So when I run this code, it will print hello world only one time because it will run for the I equals to 1 and it will print hello world. It will go to the increment operator and it will set the value equals to 2. Now it will check if condition 2 is equals to 2. Yes, 2 is equals to 2. So it will come out of the loop. So hello world will print only one time. Now suppose if we change the value from 2 to 3 and again we run this code. Now hello world will print two times. It will print for 1 and value 2. And again when value I equals to 2, it will go for increment and I will become 3. When 3 is equals to 3, it will come out of the loop. Now we will set the value to 4 and we will run this code. So now it will print the hello world 3 times. So in this way C++ break statement works. So if you have to set certain conditions or you can set certain condition and based on that condition you can apply break statement, and when you apply break statement it will terminate and it will come out of the loop based on that condition. If suppose if I set the value equals to 9 and I run this code, so it will print 8 hello world statement. So you can see 8 hello world statement. So in this way break statement work in C++. So I have given you the basic idea regarding break statement. You can try this functioning in your C++ compiler because when you try it will clear your concepts regarding break statement, and break statement is very useful and you are going to use this break statement in your code very much. So for this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with everyone who wants to learn C++. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.